Lesson: Key differences across state privacy laws. Understanding the key differences across state privacy laws is crucial for privacy professionals navigating the complex landscape of data protection within the United States. As the digital age evolves, states have begun to implement their own privacy laws to protect their residents, resulting in a patchwork of regulations that can be challenging to manage. This lesson will explore the nuances of these state privacy laws, offering practical insights, tools, and frameworks that privacy professionals can employ to ensure compliance and enhance their proficiency in managing privacy issues. At the heart of state privacy laws in the U.S. is the California Consumer Privacy Act, which set the precedent for state-level data privacy regulation. The CCPA grants California residents specific rights over their personal data, including the right to know what personal data is being collected, the right to delete personal data, the right to opt out of the sale of their data, and the right to non-discrimination for exercising these rights. This law requires businesses that meet certain thresholds to disclose information about their data collection practices, creating a need for robust data management and compliance strategies. The CCPA's influence can be seen in the Virginia Consumer Data Protection Act, which also focuses on consumer rights and business obligations, but with some differences. For example, the VCDPA requires data protection assessments for certain processing activities, a requirement not explicitly stated in the CCPA. Privacy professionals must develop a framework for conducting these assessments, which involves identifying processing activities, evaluating risks, and documenting measures to mitigate such risks. This task can be daunting, but utilizing tools like data mapping software can streamline the process and ensure thorough evaluations. Another key difference is found in the Colorado Privacy Act, which, like the VCDPA, emphasizes data protection assessments but also introduces the concept of universal opt-out mechanisms. This provision requires businesses to implement a user-friendly method for consumers to universally opt out of data processing activities. Privacy professionals should integrate this requirement into their compliance programs by leveraging privacy-enhancing technologies that facilitate consumer choice and transparency. Implementing PETs not only aids in compliance, but also enhances consumer trust and satisfaction. The patchwork of state privacy laws also includes the Utah Consumer Privacy Act, which shares similarities with the CCPA, VCDPA, and CPA, but with notable distinctions. The UCPA does not require businesses to conduct data protection assessments, which simplifies compliance for organizations operating in Utah. However, it maintains the core consumer rights found in other state laws, highlighting the need for privacy professionals to maintain comprehensive data inventories and implement processes to address consumer rights requests efficiently. Utilizing automated tools for data inventory management can significantly enhance the accuracy and efficiency of compliance efforts. To navigate these varying requirements, privacy professionals can adopt a multi-state compliance strategy that consolidates commonalities across state laws while addressing unique state-specific obligations. A practical tool for this approach is a compliance matrix, which helps map out the requirements of different state laws and identify areas of overlap and divergence. This matrix serves as a visual aid that guides organizations in tailoring their compliance programs to meet the demands of each state law. By focusing on shared principles such as transparency, accountability, and consumer rights, professionals can create a cohesive and efficient compliance framework. Case studies further illuminate the application of these strategies. Consider a multinational corporation facing compliance challenges due to differing state privacy laws. By employing a multi-state compliance matrix, the company identified overlapping requirements across states and implemented a unified data governance strategy that addressed both common and unique obligations. This approach not only reduced compliance costs, but also streamlined operations, ensuring consistency in data protection practices across all jurisdictions. The success of this strategy underscores the importance of proactive planning and the use of strategic frameworks to manage compliance complexities. Statistics reveal the growing importance of state privacy laws. A recent survey found that 62% of American consumers are concerned about how their data is collected and used, highlighting the necessity for businesses to prioritize data privacy and compliance. As more states introduce privacy legislation, privacy professionals must remain vigilant and adaptable, continuously updating their knowledge and skills to keep pace with the evolving regulatory environment. In addition to compliance frameworks and tools, fostering a culture of privacy within organizations is essential. Privacy professionals should conduct regular training sessions to educate employees about state privacy laws and the organization's compliance obligations. These sessions can include interactive workshops, case study analyses, and role-playing scenarios that simulate consumer rights requests. By embedding privacy into the organizational culture, professionals can ensure that all employees understand their role in maintaining compliance and protecting consumer data. Finally, leveraging technology can enhance compliance efforts. Advanced data analytics and artificial intelligence can automate routine compliance tasks, such as monitoring data flows and detecting potential privacy breaches. By integrating AI-driven solutions into their compliance programs, privacy professionals can improve efficiency and accuracy, allowing them to focus on more strategic initiatives. These technologies not only support compliance, but also provide insights into consumer behavior and preferences, enabling organizations to tailor their services and enhance customer experiences. The landscape of state privacy laws is complex and continually evolving, presenting both challenges and opportunities for privacy professionals. By understanding the key differences across state laws and implementing practical tools and frameworks, professionals can navigate this landscape effectively. Whether through multi-state compliance matrices, data protection assessments, or privacy-enhancing technologies, the strategies outlined in this lesson provide a roadmap for achieving compliance and fostering trust with consumers. As states continue to enact privacy laws, staying informed and adaptable will be crucial for privacy professionals aiming to safeguard consumer data and uphold the principles of data protection.